Yo, what's good, you guys? It's your girl Drea Rose, bringing you guys another video. And today we're gonna be doing an unboxing of a camera. Oh my god, I am so damn excited. This actually got here a few days ago and I've been very patient because I'm like, let me unbox it with you guys. And today is the day and I finally have a camera, guys. Like, what? So welcome back to everyone, and if you guys are new here, go ahead and join the Not So Smooth ride and subscribe. So let's go ahead and open this box. I have it right here, guys. And it's a big ass box because I did get a bundle. It's not just like the camera, it's like a bunch of like little other stuff with it. So I got my weapon right here, so let's go ahead and open it. Oh my god, oh my goodness. Alright, it's nicely wrapped. Better be nicely wrapped. I see it. Okay, let's just take the box out first. It's right here, guys. Oh, Jesus. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry that I'm overly excited, so please don't mind. So I got the SONY ZV1. I know you guys have heard of it. I know y'all seen all of y'all favorite influencers, YouTubers, content creators on Instagram. They all have this camera. Like, this is the camera to have right now. The Canon G7X is pretty good too. That's actually the original camera that I wanted. I'm not a tech person, but I can go online and do my research and watch videos and just educate myself. And I don't know, a lot of people were complaining of the newest version of the Canon G7X, so I'm glad I got this one. Oh my god, it's a bunch of goodies, guys. So let me just take everything one by one and show you guys what I got in this bundle kit. So it does come with a bag. Oh, it's a cute little bag. Alright. And I will be leaving the link in my description in case you guys want to buy this same one. I got a 64 gigabyte memory card. You definitely need this, especially for videos. Yeah. I got a micro HDMI cable for the computer or connecting to the TV. What is this? Alright, let me just open the rest. Okay, we got a LED light. Okay. And this is card reader. Okay. And we have a travel charger for camera and video camera batteries. So it comes with a battery charger, a card charger, and a plug adapter. Okay, we need that definitely. And we have a rechargeable battery. Another rechargeable battery, hell yeah. And, oh, this is like to hold it around your wrist. This is a card reader holder. Oh, this seems kind of heavy. Oh yeah, we official, baby. It's pretty big. I thought it was smaller. Okay, and we have a tripod, a flexible tripod. And it also came with some programs. I believe they're free. I'm not too sure, but I know it came in the bundle also. Let's open up the camera. So like I said, it's a Sony digital camera ZV1. Oh. Sorry guys, control yourself, Drea, goddamn. Okay. Ooh, it's kind of heavy. I thought it'd be a little lighter. I'm gonna have to work on these guns to hold the camera like that. Okay, so let's take everything out. How about that? Oh, and it does come with a battery. That is great. So this camera comes with a battery, a HDMI cable, and the little fluffy parts for the mic. Let's see the camera. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Look at this baby. And the best part, oh my god, that is just beautiful. And watch this. I love it. So you can record from the front and from the back. This is a really nice pocket-sized camera. Like, y'all do see how small this is compared to my hand. Look at that. I am not a professional tech person, but like I said, I did do my research and I watched videos and I read reviews and I compared cameras with prices, with their system, and this one honestly beat all of them. So some of the features about this camera, it is an LED touchscreen. It has a built-in mic right here. And you know, it comes with the windbreaker thing. This is good for like blocking out background noises. And it does give you the option to also add another mic to it if you like. It does have the super steady option, so it's not like shaky or anything. And this also has a sensor to like automatically like follow your eyes, so it'll like focus on you and like blur out the back. And it also has a slow motion option. This also has image edge, which is great for like a cinematic time-lapse clip. It has the skin smoothing option also to make your skin all flawless. Like, don't let these people fool you guys. Most cameras have that option now. You can also record in 4K in this camera. And the battery life is average, so that's why I just went ahead and got like hella batteries. It has a lot of cool features. It has this little grip here on the side also, so y'all can hold it like this. Pretty comfortable. Hey girl, hey. And let me open this little fluffy thing. Let's see if we can put this on. Oh my god, look how cute it looks. Ay, deja peinarte. Let me comb her a little bit. Oh, and it also has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, so very easy to transfer things and all of that good stuff. Alright. Oh, that's cool. And it also has this little like level thing here with the little bubble. Y'all see that? Okay. And the plan was to like go out and capture these like outdoor clips and all of that, but guys, it is freaking raining, so that did not work out. So maybe on my next video I can just compare recording from my phone and recording from my camera. It is official, guys. Yo girl Drea Rose is here to stay. And I mean, there's nothing wrong with recording off your phone, but you know what, for the type of content that I do, I just needed like a camera and a phone to use at the same time. So, and shout out to all of you guys for always showing me love and support, watching my videos, liking them, subscribing. Like, thank you. But alright y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do post Tuesdays and Thursdays. Also hit that bell button, that way you guys get notified every time I post a new video. Give your girl a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.